There is another extension for VS Code that is going to bring AI assistance to your code. So go to extensions and look for continue. Install it and you are going to get its icon on sidebar. Click on it. In order to connect model, first check this box icon. Click on add model and I'm going to use Ollama from one machine on my network. So I'm going to check Ollama, and in order to set everything properly, I'm going to open config file, and now I'm going to manually add my config. So I'm going to remove these brackets. Now tab minus space name. I'm going to use Qwen model. As you can see, I'm using Qwen 2.2 coder, 7 billion parameters. API base. Now I'm going to add path to my local machine where I'm hosting Ollama. IP address of that machine, it's 192.168.0.39, and this is default Ollama port, 11434. I have to set its roles. So it's chat, edit, apply. Now I'm going to copy all of this. I'm just going to change roles in here. And one more for embed. All right. I'm going to save this config file. And now when that is done, just click on connect. Let's go back now. And in here you can see that Qwen model is selected. Okay, now let's try to build something. Make me Rust app that is going to print my laptop model. Alright, we have it. Now in order to save this file, I'm just going to click on create file. And this file is in my project directory, as you can see, mine rs. Going to save it. I don't need this config YAML anymore. Now, in order to use some context, you should use @, and I'm going to name my context con1. Make me app in Go that is going to print my laptop model to the screen. Alright. I'm going to create this file too. And I'm going to save it. Alright, now, if I use the same context, like in this case, it should remember what was previous command. So I'm going to say @con, and it recognizes that it's about main.go file. So now I can say something like, now do the same, but with Python. Alright, I'm going to create this file too, and I'm going to save it. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!